Hello everyone. So in this tutorial, we are going to simulate the noise figure. You can see here. This is one LNA. This is one cascaded LNA, and I have tuned it according to my requirement. Okay. So what I'll do the simple noise analysis, and with the help of this, I'll be able to plot noise figure. So that analysis is quite simple. So I'll launch the ADE window, and in that window I'll select my analysis. So this is my ADE window. All the variables are set already, which I have defined in this schematic. So I go to the analysis. I'll choose the noise. Okay. For that I need to provide the frequency. So my range is this. For you, this range will be different. And sweep type is linear, and the number of steps are 500. Okay. But here I need to select output noise. So I select the voltage, and for positive output node, select, click here, and this is my positive output node. So this has been selected, and for negative output node, I'll select the ground. Select here, and this is a negative output node. I hope it is selected. So this one is also selected. For input, I need to select the port. So click here, and this is my input port. So this input port is also been selected. After that, I'll just click the OK, and I run the simulation. When the simulation is over, I go to the direct plot main from, and from here I can see the noise figure. I choose this and plot this. This is the noise figure of my LNA. So it is coming around 1.9 dB. That is quite decent. This is the simplest way to simulate the noise figure in Cadence. So earlier also I have made few videos for calculating the gain, the S parameter, AC analysis, DC analysis, transient analysis. So you can check out those videos. Thanks for watching.